Hello and welcome back with a new episode. In this episode, I'm gonna make done the overhead cabinet in the driver's side. So, as you see in this step, I have already cut the original one and put it in place again. I have cut this just to the benefit of this area. It takes all this place, and I want all this place to be useful, so that's why I cut this area. All people, they don't cut it, but I wanted to cut it, but the cut was not good enough, as you see. Oh, it started to rain now. I decided to put this instead, because there is a cover that will hide all this wrong cuts. In this step, I'm cutting NDF wood. I think it's called NDF. Anyways, I have already made the mold for the overhead cabinet, and in this step I just will glue this NDF wood to the both of sides, because this NDF has a very nice texture, and the color of it looks good. So I decided to glue on both of sides, and now it's time just to wait a bit to the glue to dry and put some weights, and that's it. Now I will put it for test first time and see how it will look like. And this is, now it's dry, as you see. Oh, it's raining a lot. Amazing feeling, yeah? Let's run. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Woo. The idea is to put a L bracket from here to here, and L bracket from here to here. It's anyway steady, don't need anything but for safety. In this step, I decided to put reeve nuts on both of sides on the beginning, because I found a metal that I can fasten the L bracket there in the beginning. So I decided first to put reeve nuts, so I can have a screw there. So in this step I do a reeve nuts on the left and then on the right. This step takes a lot of time, but you have to be patient. That's it, because the space is not easy to work with, that's why, but overall it will work. L bracket on the beginning, on the left and the right, and then I decided to put like T bracket on the top. I will show you on the next step. We have a bracket here, L, and here as well, L bracket, and here I did T bracket and T bracket here, so it will not go anywhere. It's stable and it's very beautiful here, and this texture here, as you see. I already put a lamp here, so I will control it with this. Maybe I have some other, like it's touch, that we can connect it with, turn it off and on by touching the wood. but I'm not sure if I will install it here for this or not. It's time for complete this side. First I will coat all this area with I will carpet it. Anyway, I will start by take the measurements for the carpet and start doing the carpeting. Yeah, I bought a black one, so I think it will look nice. I don't know, we'll see. So let's start to measure and see how it goes. I cut a bit, and now I think I will put it here, then spray on it, then try to I will spray it with the spray lint or spray glue, and then try to put it on the wall. I don't know if should I spray on the carpet itself first or I should spray on the wall. I'm not sure. Maybe it's better to spray on the wall itself. I think it's better to spray it on the wall. So in this way. In this step, I have put spray glue on the wall and on the carpet itself, and I tried to do it, stretch it so it looks good and well finished. It was a bit tricky when you do it by yourself. Now looks much better. Yeah, see here some stretch, I had to stretch it, but this is what I could do. I think this is perfect for me and I like it. As you see, it's good. I have to put this. I think I will cover it with this as well. It will be much smoother when you touch it, because this carpet, it's very nice. So I like the touch of it. And if it was right, so it will be like that. Perfect. I will screw it here, but I don't know how the opening it will be. I'm not sure yet, but I think that I don't know if I put just right here, like to open to the top, I don't know, or to the side. Maybe to the side, like this, like 50 centimeters opening, or 40 like a door. I will figure out. So guys, it was very hard to do all this, but I did it. I have a very cool thing here. Here it is. This device, it's like I touch from the behind the wood, and I can turn it on and off and all that. See, it's very cool actually. This is very cool. Very cool. Check this out. Turn it on. Turn it on. I don't have to put, I just show you, and then I just hold it. It will dim it down, and I hold it again and it will dim it up. So, and turn off just like that. You don't need to, just see, you don't need to touch it. See? Whoop. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is crazy. I like that. I like it actually. It looks perfect, you know? It looks perfect. So let's turn it off. Perfect. I'm glad to do this. It looks good, it looks nice. So this is done. This wire I will leave it just because I am planning to do some lights here as well. It's very big storage actually. It's not a small one. It is very big. And I'm very glad to have this storage. So, bye bye. I'm done with this. I'm very glad. So, bye.